Good afternoon. It is March 4th, 2025, and today we got a reversal day. Is how it's looking. We still got about 40 minutes until the market closes to the public. Uh, I'm gonna look at the 6,500 tick chart today just because the volume was super high. Uh, Here's what it's looking like so far on the uh, daily chart, and how, however this bar closes, it's not surprising. If we close on our low, then I would say expect a measured move down. And if we close on our high, I would say, you know, consider getting long and having a target of about at least where this gap is, about 60, 66. Just something to think about. So, anyway, here's the 6,500 tick chart. Looks like looks like we have a steeper channel in here, something like that. Yeah, that looks about right. So anyway, March 4th starts in here. We have this spike and channel down. So let's take a look at that. I was watching this. I would say definitely consider this short right here. You have a second entry short there, right there. So I would consider that. This is all just congestion. But definitely consider this, even though it's lower, it gapped down. That's a strong bear bar, and you might catch uh, the high of the day. And I mean, you would have gotten a huge move out of this. So if you played this like a channel, which in the past few days that would make sense, move it to above each swing, boom, and then down here. Let's say you got stopped out here and you got short at 23. That's a 47-point move. That's huge. So anyway, don't think you can take this, but then you get confirmation of the trend line, and that's a textbook second entry right there, and that is a huge move. And if you were playing this channel, you would still get stopped out right here, but I don't know, man. This is an overshoot of this channel. I had this channel drawn. You have an overshoot, so you might want to take it above that bull bar. Take your profits, especially when you start going sideways. So are there any other entries in here? I'd just be worried about this level of potential support. Turns out it failed. So here's a second entry. You're going right into the low of the day, so it's risky. We bounce, and we're getting sideways stuff in here, so you got to be careful. Uh, Boom, same level of support here. Rockets out. That's a very aggressive entry here, but you could consider it, but I wouldn't. I would not recommend it. And then here, I mean, only thing is, I wasn't liking any of this. I think you have to scalp all of this because of this channel. It looks like we have an overshoot, and now we're just going sideways until we get a break, and that's exactly what happened. So anyway, we were getting. This was a pretty strong bull move. Not pretty strong, but it's a significant bull move. Then the bears just started looking a little weaker. Strong bull move here. Two legs of correction. Big bull bar. It's bigger than this one. And then we reverse. And so when we get this big reversal bar right here, uh, I'm looking to get long because I'm thinking we're hitting a measured move. And look at where we found resistance. And so we get this triangle. So it's a bull flag. Uh, and this second entry doesn't work out, unfortunately. But it looks like a doji, has a big tail on top. Um, I wouldn't be mad at anybody if they got short in here. I mean, this is looking like, problem is, yeah, that looks like a channel. So I wouldn't, this is a not a new high. I mean, I would consider getting short here, but you would have to go for a big move, and then you get this big bull bar. You'd probably have to get out above that. But anyway, we break out of this triangle, pull back. That's a very strong bull move. So, I mean, I was considering just buying on the close of this third bar because that's a strong close and going for that measured move. We pulled back beyond 50% of this move, so I was, a little hesitant, but this is a good I think this is a good entry. It's a second entry long. It looks like perhaps you're in a bear channel, but big up, big down, possible trading range. It's a higher low, and this was a strong rally up. I think you got to take that and take profits here. And um, you can see some people took profits a little early, then others took it right there, but then it just kept going. And now we have two strong bear bars looking to get a third strong bear bar closing on its low. But man, a lot of good movement these past couple days. So there's one last look at it. Here's how the week is shaping up. And we could get another situation where we rally to above this trend line. Uh, this is February ended a doji. And yeah, we'll just gotta wait and see. So one last look at the 6500 tick chart. Hope everyone had a good day. I'll be back tomorrow.